Hey, it's Megan with WTI, and like many people out there, I am always on that quest for a perfect cup of coffee. Now, I have been a French press girl for a long time now, and no matter how many good things I heard about it, I was nervous to try pour over coffee. But this ESPRO BLOOM pour over kit makes it so simple and easy to get an amazing cup of coffee. Something that helped me to feel really confident getting started on my pour over journey is the dot and line system that this kit uses. The indicator dots can be found on the coffee scoop, the glass carafe, and the filter top for easy, quick reference. The only thing that I need to remember is that a dot equals a serving and that a serving is 3 scoops of coffee. This completely eliminates any guesswork on my part, and it makes it so simple and straightforward for me to make that perfect cup every time. I was pleasantly surprised at how quick this system is to use. I can have a cup of coffee within a matter of just a few minutes. The coffee that results from using this system is so smooth and delicious, and I really notice a reduction in bitterness as opposed to other coffee makers that I've used. I have really appreciated how this ESPRO BLOOM pour over coffee system has made it so easy for me to get started on my pour over journey. All I have to do is connect the dots for great coffee. And that's my point of view.